The new forest where no big people ever went, there was a tiny little magical village called the Organ Garden. Here there little two Fairies named Kasir, Kenan and Mother were busy at work in their factory. The three-toothed fairies were all named after type of teeth. Kasir was all and skinny with short pink hair. Kenan was also tall with blue hair, and Mother was the short, wise one with curly silver locks. All day long the busy little fairies cleaned and shined the children's milk teeth they had collected during the night. The milk teeth were used to make very useful things in the Organ Garden, like road in the village and furniture in the home for the little fairies. One day Kasir realized that their teeth coming into the cleaning factory were not as strong as they used to be. "Oh dear," said Kasir. "These teeth are frigid and brittle, with holes and black spots. They crumble as soon as I try to polish them with my cloth. Whatever are we to do?" "Yes," said Kenan, "I know exactly what's wrong. The children are beginning to eat for too many sweets and are not looking after their teeth at all. I know. We can fix it," said Mother, the wise one. She sounded quite excited by her ground idea. The three fairies looked at each other and waited while Mother explained all. As usual, it was a fabulous idea. The three of them wasted no time at all and go to work straightway. That night, it was Kenan's turn to fly off and collect all the milk teeth from under the sleeping children's pillow. Off she flew with a bag of coins, some whiteberry sandwiches for her lunch, and a pack of cards, which the three fairies and spent all afternoon preparing. It was such a treat to leave the forest and see the city skyline, but it was a dangerous place for fairies. Kenan had to make sure that the big people never saw her. She flew through the starry sky and saw the wonderful city fast asleep. Her first stop was a young boy named Junior. Earlier in the night, Junior and his mom had placed his milk tooth under the pillow. Mom tucked Junior into bed and told him all about the tooth fairy who would leave some money in exchange for his tooth. She gave him a goodnight kiss and left him to fall asleep. By the time Kenan arrived, Junior was fast asleep. She flew in through the top window that was ajar and glided quick down to Junior's pillow. She pattered beside him and waked herself in preparation for the task. She lifted the pillow and wedged herself between the pillow and the bed. She quickly grabbed the tooth and twisted it over to her back. She placed 2 coins and their fairy special card in exchange under the pillow and flew off into the night sky to find more milk teeth. In the morning, as soon as Junior woke up, he rummaged under the pillow to see if the tooth fairy had left any money for him. He was thrilled to find the coins but looked blankly at the card he found in his hand. Mummy did not mention anything about a card he wanted. Her card, the card out aloud. The Tooth Fairies Guide to Healthy Teeth. Eat healthy. Cut down on sugary sweets and drink. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use a fluoride toothpaste. Visit the dentist regularly. Back in the village of Organ Garden, the fairies were very happy about the new information card they were giving to the children. Soon enough, the milk teeth coming into the factory were strong and healthy again. Thank you.